Hi viewers, in this video we will solve a problem which we have. So in this problem what we have to do is we have to make a VI which takes the data from the user in seconds and converts it into hours, minutes and seconds. So in order to do it, what we have to do, we have to open the LabVIEW 2018. So let's do it. Let's type LabVIEW, and here we are, we got this NI LabVIEW 2018. So let's open it up. Okay, so LabVIEW is now open. What we have to do is we have to go to the file menu and then click on the new VI button so that we can have a new VI open. Okay, so as you know that we have two paths of VI. One is the block diagram, the other one is the front panel. So let's arrange them side by side, one on the left and the other one on the right side. Okay, so before doing anything we have to be clear that how many controls and how many indicators we need in this example. Since the data is entering in seconds, so we just need a one input, or you can say that we just need a one control. Since the data is to be converted into hours, minutes and seconds, it means that we need three outputs or three indicators. So first of all we have to go to the front panel and drop our controls and indicators. So let's right click on the front panel. So we have this controls palette open. We have to go to the numeric category, and in this numeric category we have different kinds of numeric controls and indicators. So what we have to do, we need one control which is numeric control, three indicators. So these indicators are for display the time in hours and minutes and seconds. Time and okay. So let this control the input time, which is in seconds. Okay, so now let's connect them, but before that what we need a mathematical operator which converts the seconds into hours first and then converts the remainder into minutes and then display the remainder into the seconds. So the most suitable function for this operation is this one, which is quotient and remainder. So how we can achieve this, and how we can get this into our block diagram? What we have to do, we have to go to the block diagram, right click on it, then go to the numeric, and then this is the function which is quotient and remainder. So let's spin it up, and since we have to convert first the time which is in seconds into hours and then convert the remainder into minutes and then seconds, so we have to use it twice. So let's drop two of them on the block diagram and close this functions palette. Okay, so let's give the input into the X terminal on this one of this function, and now we have to divide it by 3600 to convert it into the number of hours. So let's create a constant and enter 3600 so that the time which is entered in seconds can be converted into hours. So once again, at the output end of this function we have the remainder and the quotient. So the output of this function will be the number of hours, and remainder will go once again into this function, which is remainder and quotient function, and now we have to divide it by 60 to convert the remaining seconds into the minutes. So the quotient will goes to the minutes indicator and remainder will go to the seconds indicator. So now let's select the whole VI and click this clean up selection button so that we have a clean VI, or you can say that we have a clean block diagram in which everything is very much clear. So let's run this program. What we have to do, we have to run it continuously since we are not using any loop in it. So for each iteration, what we have to do, either we have to run it time and again, or we can run it continuously. So let's run it and input the time. Let's say the time is 5 seconds. Press enter. Okay, so the 5 seconds are appearing on this indicator. So let's input 65 seconds. What we are getting now, we are getting 1 minute and 5 seconds. Nothing is displaying in the hours indicator, which is correct. Okay, so now let's input 3600 seconds, which should be equal to 1 hour. Okay, so we are getting 1 displaying in the hours indicator, whereas 0 and 0 are displaying in the minutes and seconds indicator. So now let's change it into 3601. So now what we're getting 1 hour and 1 minute, or 1 second, sorry. So let's change it again, 3661. So it should be 1 hour, 1 minute and 1 second. So I think it's almost done. So now let's stop it, and then what we have to do, we have to save it with an appropriate name, which can be okay, let's save it on the desktop with the name time converter. Okay, so that's it for today's tutorial. See you again. Thank you.